All right, let's get down to the nitty gritty. A concrete paver is made out of sand, aggregate, cement, oxides and water. Now some of the pros for this are pretty good. They're made in a mould in specific machines and they're engineered. Why does that float your boat? Well, it means that unlike a quarry where stone comes out of it, when the quarry runs out or it gets shut down, there's no more stone to match, we can make more and more and more of this. Now because they're poured into a mould, they're all the same thickness, the same width, and you get nice straight lines and a beautiful flat floor. Another reason for me to lean towards concrete pavers is the use of oxides. Now stone's beautiful, and a generation ago, if you wanted something to look really sophisticated, you really had no other choice. But with that choice became limits, because you had light colours like this sandstone and dark colours like granite and nothing in between. But smart companies like Adbri using oxides have given you a whole choice and colour palette. Let's think about it. If you're laying pavers, it's about being practical, but it's also about being visual and aesthetically pleasing. And getting the right colour means getting the right job. So they got the colours right with the oxide, but they went another step further. When I was a young landscaper many moons ago, pavers came in the brick size and they were a tad boring, and in a small courtyard or entertaining area, very busy. Well, Adbri has spent a lot of time on the engineering to make strong, large pavers. Now this is Eurostone, it's 400 by 400. It also comes in a 400 by 600, which I love, but you can get different finishes. Now this one's shot blast. It looks fantastic, but it's also great underfoot because you're not gonna slip on it like you would a smooth surface. There's honed and then there's just your traditional concrete as well. Now the bigger paver makes a small space look less busy and more sophisticated. So we've got the right colour and the right size paver, and we can duplicate it time and time again.